Take a ride in the 2019 Escalade ESV. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, roof rack, front wheel independent suspension. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, heads-up display, HD radio, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, overhead console. Come see the car for yourself.
Each certified pre-owned Cadillac comes with the full assurance that it meets Cadillac's rigorous standards. With additional warranty coverage, 24-hour roadside assistance, and courtesy transportation, your certified pre-owned vehicle will provide you peace of mind. With Cadillac certified pre-owned vehicles, the car's past becomes irrelevant. What matters is your future. Ask your dealer for more details. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.